Air compressors are essential tools for a variety of applications, ranging from inflating tires and sports equipment to powering pneumatic tools for DIY and professional projects. Selecting the right air compressor can be challenging given the diverse range of models available, each tailored to specific needs. For this comparison, list number 1. Craftsman Air Compressor. The Craftsman CM-EC6150K is a versatile and durable air compressor designed for general-purpose use. With a 6-gallon tank and 150 psi maximum pressure, it delivers reliable performance for tasks such as drilling, airbrushing, spraying, and nailing. Its oil-free pump ensures minimal maintenance, while the included 13-piece accessory kit enhances its utility. The unit is portable at 32.5 pounds and operates at a relatively low noise level of 78.5 dB, making it suitable for residential use. Proudly made in the USA, it combines quality craftsmanship with practical features. In terms of performance, the Craftsman compressor offers quick recovery times, delivering 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, which is adequate for most light to medium duty tasks. Users report that it performs consistently across applications, though it may struggle with heavy-duty pneumatic tools. The noise level is moderate, and while not silent, it is quieter than many comparable models. Its compact design and portability make it ideal for homeowners and hobbyists who need a reliable compressor without the hassle of frequent maintenance.
List number 2. DeWalt Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor 20-volt max. The DCC020IB is a compact and highly portable tire inflator designed for on-the-go use. Its standout features include automatic shutoff, high-pressure and high-volume inflation modes, and an integrated LED light for nighttime or emergency use. The unit supports 3 power sources: 20-volt max battery, 12-volt DC, and 110-volt AC, making it versatile for various scenarios. At just 6.39 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to transport, perfect for car owners, cyclists, and outdoor enthusiasts. Performance-wise, the DCC020IB excels at inflating tires quickly and accurately, thanks to its threaded chuck for secure connections and automatic shutoff to prevent overinflation. However, its noise level of 92 decibels is noticeably louder than other products in this comparison. While it lacks a large tank or high SCFM for tool operation, its portability and convenience make it a niche product ideal for emergency tire inflation and small inflation tasks. Users appreciate its reliability and compact design, though the need for a separate battery purchase may deter some buyers.
List number 3. DeWalt Pancake Air Compressor. The DeWalt DWFP55126 is a premium pancake-style air compressor designed for professional-grade applications. With a 6-gallon tank and a maximum pressure of 165 psi, it offers superior performance for extended tool runtimes and quick recovery. The oil-free pump ensures maintenance-free operation, while its high-flow regulator and couplers maximize air tool efficiency. At 75.5 decibels, it operates quieter than most comparable models, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. This compressor delivers 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, making it capable of handling demanding tasks such as drilling, nailing, and spraying. Its robust build quality and efficient motor ensure reliable operation even in cold weather or with long extension cords. The 30-pound weight and compact design enhance portability, while features like a ball drain valve and removable console cover add convenience. While it is the most expensive option in this comparison, its performance and durability justify the investment for professionals and serious DIYers.
List number 4. Bostitch Air Compressor Kit. The Bostitch BTFP02012WPK is a well-rounded air compressor kit that combines portability, performance, and convenience. Featuring a 6-gallon tank and 150 psi maximum pressure, it is suitable for a range of applications, including drilling, nailing, and spraying. The included 50-foot air hose and 10-piece accessory kit make it a versatile option for users who need an all-in-one solution. Its oil-free design eliminates the need for daily maintenance, and its lightweight construction, 29 pounds, enhances portability. In terms of performance, the Boss-Stitch compressor delivers 4 SCFM at 40 psi, which is higher than most models in this comparison, making it ideal for tasks requiring consistent airflow. The noise level of 80 decibels is moderate, and users report that the compressor operates smoothly and reliably. While it lacks some advanced features like automatic shutoff or LED lighting, its overall value as a kit makes it a strong contender for homeowners and hobbyists seeking a reliable and affordable solution.
List number 5. Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The Hafuloki P012 is an affordable and compact tire inflator designed for light-duty inflation tasks. With a maximum pressure of 180 psi and an impressive inflation rate of 36 liters per minute, it offers quick and efficient inflation for car tires, bicycles, balls, and more. Its intelligent sensing system automatically stops inflation upon reaching the preset pressure, ensuring safety and precision. The built-in 25,000 mAh battery doubles as a power bank for emergency charging of electronic devices, adding to its multi-functionality. Despite its small size and lightweight design, 1.9 pounds, the Hafuloki inflator performs admirably for its intended use cases. The upgraded noise reduction technology keeps operation quieter than expected, while its compact form factor makes it easy to store in a car or backpack. However, it is not suitable for heavy-duty applications or powering pneumatic tools. Users appreciate its affordability and convenience, though some note that the battery capacity may diminish over time with frequent use.